Thank you for joining this quick how-to screencast brought to you by Salesforce Support. In this video, we'll discuss how to find out if a record was not sent from Mobile Connect. There are a few different tools to help with this. Let's get started. You finally built your SMS messaging campaign and are ready to engage your subscribers. You schedule the send, and everything appears to be working as expected. You received your message without issue. However, your coworker, Jane, mentioned she never received her message. What can you do to find out what happened with her message? Luckily, we have multiple tools at our disposal to check what could have happened with a send to a particular subscriber. We'll discuss user interface items we can check, different reports that can be utilized, and even query tables that can be used to help find what happened to a subscriber. First, let's check to see if the record qualified for a send. We need to determine if the record was part of our list or data extension. If a record exists, we should check Mobile Connect, Manage Contacts, and then click on the individual record. Once the record is open, we want to go to the Membership tab to see if they are subscribed to at least one keyword on the short code we attempted to send from. If sending to a data extension, we would want to make sure that we selected Subscribe All Contacts to a keyword during the send. Finally, we should also check to see if they exist on the held list in Mobile Connect Administration. After these items are checked and we confirm subscription, we can use the following tools to check if the message was delivered or undelivered. The Engagement tab allows us to take a look at a single subscriber and view their recent sends up to a 365-day period. To do this, we'll start by going to Mobile Connect. On the main screen, we'll click Manage, or the drop-down next to it, and click Contacts. The screen should look similar to this layout. From here, we're going to click on a record to view. On the next screen is the Engagement tab that will show activity for your subscriber. You can select your time period and even sort by inbound, outbound, or both. On the screen, you should see the message name, message, address of who we sent to, their send status, and the time we sent to them. If we see delivered, then that means we received a receipt that the text should have been sent and received. If we see undelivered, the message was not sent to the subscriber. Reports are useful for pulling multiple subscribers into a CSV report over a period of time or for particular sends. This would allow us to pull multiple numbers and see what occurred with them for a given time period. This can be done by going to the Mobile Connect main screen. Once there, in the Overview screen, there is a Create Report button in the Message Stats section. We can click this to view possible reports. The 4 reports listed can show us overall account details or total summaries, but in this case, we want the SMS Message Detail report. This report shows all subscribers who received text messages. When we create the report, we can select the date range and, if we want to, include other business units. We can also choose individual codes or specific messages or keywords. Once we choose the parameters, we can submit the report. This gives us a results screen where we can email the report, save it, or send it to an FTP location. If you're pulling a large amount of data, we recommend using the FTP option. When you receive your report, you should see details such as message name, message text, mobile number, and status. In the status column, the report will show if the message was delivered or undelivered. If we see undelivered, the message was not sent to the subscriber. If you have some SQL knowledge, our SMS message tracking table can provide some insight to any inbound or outbound message. Using a query activity in Automation Studio, we can target this data view to write information to a data extension. The SMS message tracking table can tell us if a message was inbound or outbound from a subscriber, and if a message was delivered or undelivered. By using this table and adding where statements in a query activity in Automation Studio, we can choose to return specific subscribers and message details into a result data extension for use either in the application, such as sending, or it can be used externally by creating a data extract and file transfer activity steps in Automation Studio. If we see undelivered as a 1 value, the message was not sent to the subscriber. If you attempt all the above items and you're not able to find your answer, it's different than what you expected, or you would like more details on the results, the Marketing Cloud support team can assist further with finding out what happened with your subscriber or subscribers. Here are some items that can help our support teams for a faster resolution. When creating a case with our support team, including the following will help provide a faster resolution. What contacts did not receive the message? Include their subscriber key and mobile number. If it's multiple numbers, 5 subscribers is a fair number of subscribers to help with our investigation. What was the name of the send that was not received? Did other subscribers receive the message? What type of message was sent? If you provide these examples in your case, it will greatly reduce the time it takes for support to look into the issue. We can go into further detail as to why a message was marked undelivered and what we can do to prevent it for future issues. For more information, go to help.salesforce.com or join us on the trail at trailblazer.salesforce.com.